Where are the inaccuracies in math.sqrt and math.pow coming from for large numbers? If you take a number, take its square root, drop the decimal, and then raise it to the second power, the result should always be less than or equal to the original number. This seems to hold true in Python until you try it on 99,999,999,999,975,425 for some reason. It looks like math.pow, math.floor, math.sqrt 99,999,999,999,999,975,425, 2, returns 1 e plus 20. I assume this has something to do with the way we store values in Python. Something related to floating point arithmetic, but I can't reason about specifically how that affects this case.
The problem is not really about SQRT or POW, the problem is you're using numbers larger than floating point can represent precisely. Standard IEEE 64-bit floating point arithmetic can't represent every integer value beyond 52 bits, plus 1 sign bit. Try just converting your inputs to float and back again. As you can see, the representable value skipped by 16,384. The first step in math.sqrt is converting to float, see double, and at that moment, your value increased by enough to ruin the end result. Short version, float can't represent large integers precisely. Use decimal if you need greater precision. Or if you don't care about the fractional component, as a 3.8, you can use math.ist, which works entirely in integer space, so you never experience precision loss, only the round-down loss you expect, giving you the guarantee you're looking for, that the result is the greatest integer such that a squared less than or equal to n.
Unlike Evan Rose's, now deleted, answer claims, this is not due to an epsilon value in the SQRT algorithm. Most math module functions cast their inputs to float, and math.sqrt is one of them. 99,999,999,999,975,425 cannot be represented as a float. For this input, the cast produces a float with exact numeric value 99,999,999,999,999,983,616, which repr shows as 9.999,999,999,999,998 e plus 19. The closest float to the square root of this number is 10 billion.0, and that's what math.sqrt returns.
Math.pow